Welcome to my Coaching with Valerie, everyone. And Coaching with Valerie provide mathematics and science subjects coaching. Okay. So today I am here to tell you something about maths. Okay. Mathematics in our daily life. What are different mathematics options that we use in our daily life, and how India has contributed in mathematics. Some overview of number and number system we will do. We will do some addition puzzles and game, and I have one surprise trick for you. Okay, so we will learn that trick. Okay, so let's begin with one by one. Why maths is so important, and where did mathematics come from, and why we have to learn maths, means is maths it's so important that we have to learn it every day and we have to apply on daily life, is it that important, and why when you're going to use in real world, okay, in daily routine where you use the maths. I want few of you to answer it. To learn coding also it's used, because it is we use mathematical and logical operations in coding, isn't it? So in real world we use maths everywhere. If you see everywhere, you can see maths, only maths. Okay, so there are few examples which we will see today. Let's check one by one. Which are the mathematical operations you used in shopping? Sanjana is saying addition, subtraction, multiplication. Very good. Preksha is saying addition. Yes, that's correct. Mathematical operation in shopping like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also we do to calculate the amount to pay. Okay. So this is one part of real world that we use maths there. Okay. The next one is we use maths in kitchen also. So we use maths in kitchen also.
Ma'am, kilogram and kgs.
Okay. It comes in measurement, proportions. We measure ingredients and then we proportionately divide that ingredients in one place and then we make a food. Okay. So next one is everyone loves pizza to eat. And if there is only one pizza in the family, then what you will do to make everyone's happy?
Then we will share.
You divide pizza in equal parts. Okay, so for division also we use maths. Okay, next one is we use maths in construction also. Like what? We measure angles, we measure
And
length, height. There is shapes like triangle in constructions also, like we have angles, length, height and shapes to make it in proper design. Okay, so in constructions also maths is used. In music instruments also there is a math. Make instrument like by measuring the that how the sound will produce, isn't it? Maths is everywhere, like from your kitchen to shopping mall to construction site, musics, playing sports. So actually we have to be very proud that our Indian mathematicians has contributed so much in mathematics. They invented zero also. Okay, they invented arithmetic, algebra, negative numbers. They did lots of things in maths, and we should be proud of our Indian mathematicians. Okay, so some of the mathematicians are Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Srinivasan Ramanujan, Bhaskara. So there are some very popular mathematicians that are Indians. Now I have one puzzle for you. I want this puzzle that you should write on chat box only. Okay, which numbers you see in this puzzle? So there are, I will now open the answer. She has found all the numbers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So you see in this puzzle all 0 to 9 numbers. So move to the next slide. Okay, now it's a maths part, that is number system. Okay, so as you all may be aware of that maths is based on number system, and that is known as digit. Okay, and you know that maths is based on base 10, and the base 10 has 10 different symbols. Any symbols you know about the maths?
Plus, minus, division.
No,
Plus, minus, division.
that is the operations.
Sign.
There are 10 different symbols from the digit. So I want that from you. Anyone? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our number system based on this 10 digits. And these are the 10 different symbols of number system. Okay. So in number system there is a place value. Okay. And each place value has its own box, individual box. Okay. So if I want to place this 0 digit is placed in one box and there is no apple here. Okay. And imagine that you are going to an apple garden and you have to pick apples one by one and placed in the basket. Okay. And so you go there, pick one by one, and you can place only one digit at a one time in this one box. Okay, Rishabh, don't try it. Okay, so when I'm picking the apples one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In this box, only one digit can place. Yeah, for this we have to make a group. Okay.
Group of 10.
Group of 10. So 10 apples in the basket. And how many groups? One group.
One group.
Okay. So after 9, if I pick one more and there is a 10 apples, for that 10 apples, I make a group. That is group of 10, but having one group only. In this basket, we have 10 apples and there is only one group of 10. Concept comes as ones place and tens place. Okay. So single place is ones place and group of 10 is tens place. Okay. So for example, nothing. So 0. 0 means nothing. I pick one apple. So I write on ones place one apple. I pick two apples. So 2 apples. Now I have a bucket which has 10 apples. It's a group of 10. Basket is having 10 apples and how many groups of 10? One group of 10. So 1, 2, the number is 12. Just a second, I will answer you all questions. Just a second, I have to complete this slide. So there is a one basket which is having 10 apples and we write on the tens place 1. If we having two baskets of 10, then it becomes 2. So the number is 22. 22. We have single apples also. Okay. If we have 3 baskets, so the group of 3 baskets, the number comes 32. Okay. So like this, we create ones place and tens place. That's why when in earliest slide, when I stop to 9 place, we have to add one more box to make the group of 10. For this, we have a practice session. One is I have given for you, it's showed here. Like you have 4 single box. Okay. So on the ones place, I have written 4. And this is the group of 10 boxes. So there are 2 groups. So I have written 2. So the number becomes 24. Okay. So I want from your side that you should answer this question second and just let me know in the chat box. The second answer is 29. Okay. Like we have 9. Wait. We have 9 single boxes and 2 group of 10. So the number is 29. Okay. The next one is we have 3 ones and have a 3 group of 10. So the number is 33. Okay. Now the next one is how many ones? We have 8 ones. And how many tens? We have 4 tens. So the number comes 48. So if there is no number, so it becomes 0. And we have a 5 group of tens. The number becomes 50. Okay. So this is like ones place and tens place. Okay. Now a puzzle for you all. Give me answer in the chat box. It's a 77. Okay. So, okay. Next puzzle. Okay. Do fast. It's so easy. 74. Yes. So 74 is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Next, for the tens place and ones place, we do additions also according to tens place and ones place. Okay. It's a small addition which I am giving you today. So just look into the screen, like, because this is the very small addition. So in ones place we have 5 and 4. Okay. So what is the addition of 5 and 4? That comes 9. Okay. And 1 plus 2? 3. So our answer is 39. So the addition is based on the place values. If you understand the place values very well, so the addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything will be very easy to understand. Okay. So everything is based on place value because place value is basics of numbers. Okay. The next addition is 0 plus 6. That is 6. And 1 plus 2 on the tens place is 3. And on 100 place, it's a 3 plus 2. That is 5. Correct. The next one is 2 plus 2. That is 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. 5 and there is nothing before. Yes, 5 plus 0. There is nothing means it means 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay. So this is the addition with ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay. Okay, now puzzle time again. Pyramid puzzle. Okay, so this is called as pyramid puzzle. Okay. So this is a tree. Okay. In this tree, we have 2, 3, 5. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So 5 comes here. This is 5. And 3 plus 5 is what? 8. So we have to add 3 plus 5. Answer is 8. And 5 plus 8 is?
13.
Yes, 13. So this is a pyramid puzzle. Okay, it's a simple pyramid puzzle. So next one, you have to answer. 5 plus 1 is? 6. Yes. 1 plus 2 is?
3. 9.
Oh, that's great. 5. Okay.
5, man.
2 plus 4 is? 6. And 5 plus 6 is 11. Move to the next thing. Have you know the Halloween something? Last month, anyone celebrated Halloween day? So in first row here,
Hat.
है ना? Witch का hat है ना? Yes, witch's hat. और ये क्या है? Witch's cat.
Hat. Black cat.
This is pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
And this is
And this is the witch.
witch. Okay. So everyone is having their individual number.
Numbers.
So cap is having 2 number, cat is having 3 number, pumpkin is having 1 number, witch is having 4 number. So we have to think about the picture and we have to add according to that. Okay. Okay. So I will explain you one. Like this cap is having number 2. Okay. So I have written 2 here. The cap is having number 2. Cat is having number 3, which is having number 4, and again cap is having number 2. So what is the addition of this all horizontally? That is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. That comes 11. Okay. Now second one, anyone has solved?
10.
Plus 1
That one is 9.
plus 4
And the last one
plus
is
3.
9.
Don't
And the last one is 9.
So type in chat box. Okay, so third answer is 10.
Yes.
Last one, 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1. That is 9. That's correct. So this is horizontal addition. Okay. Now we have to do vertical addition. So we have already numbers like 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. What it comes? It's 9. Okay. Next, 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4.
Equals to 9.
Next one is 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3.
4 plus 2. Can you repeat?
4. It's a vertical addition. 4
9.
plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. That is 13. Okay, next one is 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So your answer is 7. Come to the next part. Next part is my surprise part for you. Okay. So we have a 9 table trick. Okay. I have a trick which you can learn the table of 9 on your hand also. Okay. Like this. So what you have to do, you have to just open your palm. Okay. If you have a pen, open your palm facing you. Okay. So from the left hand, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 fingers. Understood? You have 10 fingers. Okay. So just initially what you have to do, you have to just write the numbers on your fingers so that you will be easy right now to do this. Okay. Initially you have to do that. When you are when you know that how to do it, then you can do easily without writing it. Okay. So open your palm and you want 9 sevens. Okay. अपनी तरफ palm करो. Do it like this. Yes, 9 sevens. So from the left hand, count till 7th number of finger. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. है ना? 7 number को fold कर दो. 7 number finger को fold कर दो. Okay, I'll show you like this. 7th number का fold किया. Okay. Now count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ऐसे मैंने ऐसे रखा है ना, तो मुझे कैसे करना पड़ेगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 10th place पे क्या आएगा? 6 digit. And 1st place पे क्या आएगा? 1, 2, 3. That is 3. So what is your answer? 63. Okay. Understood? 9 sevens are 63. Understood? Now, one more example we will do. 9 fours are. Do your hands like this or like this. अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो तो आपका नंबर कैसे स्टार्ट होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके? और अगर आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, so you have to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can do according to that. Okay? So first you have to learn from the one part, and then you can juggle it up. Okay, so we have 9 fours are. So you have to fold fourth number of your finger. Okay, so count from the left. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is your tens place, and from the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is your answer? 36. Understood? Now I have one puzzle, mind puzzle. If you can do, just go and collect some coins from your parents. It's a coin triangle puzzle. Okay, so this puzzle you have to do with your parents only. I am not going to give you any answer of that. Make coins like this, a triangle. Everyone on the place? Okay. Keep coins like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your coins like this. This puzzle you have to do with your parents, and what you have to do, you have to move this only 3 coins to make it upside down triangle. Okay, even you can if you have notebook with you, you can just draw this and just play with the coins and give the solution. This is a mind game and a family game. Okay, so you have to move only 3 coins. You can't move more than 3 coins, and you have to make a upside down triangle from this. You have to place in this manner only, and then with
Like this?
1 minute, I can't see. I will send you this image after the class, and you have to give a solution of this puzzle. Okay, and I will also share you a solution for this, but first you have to give me a solution today, and if whoever solve this puzzle, then we have a special discount while joining the other classes. So yes, okay. There is an email ID of PiggyWrite. You can send there. You got the link from the PiggyWrite. You can send there also. Okay, or else you can send to me also. That is my, yes, this is my email ID, coachingwithvallari@gmail.com. This how we are having the today's session. Okay.